Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rafif Nugraha, NIM 22074032. My job, I work at the restaurant. At my job, I am very busy all day. My restaurant makes hamburgers, fried chicken, soup and salad. I do not make the food, but I do serve the food the customers. I bring the customers drinks and then ask them what they would like. That I say, may I take your order? The customers tell me their order. I write it down in my small notebook, and then I type the order into the computer. The cooks in the kitchen receive the order, and I make the food. I bring the food to the table. Everyone in town thinks the food at my restaurant is delicious. I agree. My favorite food is the fried chicken. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.